What's up guys, this is Unknown from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of Boult Audio Airbass XPods Pro True Wireless Earphones. Now this is available at $1,299 on its official website and for $1,499 on Flipkart. This is available in black and white and we have it in black color. Now the official website also offers free shipping, secure payment, and it says satisfaction guaranteed. Now these are some of the highlights. 24 hours playtime and 6 hours playtime with single charge. It has quad mics with ENC, IPX5 water resistance, and it has extra bass. It also comes with 1 year warranty. That's pretty nice. Now let's start unboxing. Here's the box. It says Boult Audio XPods Pro. It has some highlights on the bottom and some highlights on the back, along with pricing information. Now let's unbox this. First we have small envelope. Next we have the earphones case. Next we have small accessories box. Now this is earphones case. Let me remove the cover. This is the case. And these are the earphones. Next we have small envelope. It has documentation and a warranty card. Next we have a small accessories box inside which we have Type-C charging cable. Now let's have physical overview. On the front it has branding. It says Boult Audio. Under that there is an LED indicator and there is a groove above that to open the lid. On the back there is hinge of the lid and nothing else. On the bottom there is Type-C port. On the top and sides, it's plain with some indentation design. It looks nice. These are the earphones. They have branding on the back and that's where you have touch controls. Towards the bottom side of the stem, it has geometric design, which looks cool. On the other side, there is speaker grills on each earphones. On the sides, there is cutouts, and on the bottom, there is mic on each earphone. Now here are all the specs. These earphones come with 13mm drivers. It has IPX5 water resistance, it comes with ENC, environmental noise cancellation, and it has wireless range of 10 meters. Now it has fast pairing, it also has touch controls with voice assistant. In the battery department, it gives 24 hours playtime with the case and 6 hours playtime with single charge. It comes with Bluetooth 5.1. It has extra bass, high fidelity acoustics, and it has seamless connectivity. Now this also comes with quad mics with ENC, so the calls should be pretty neat. Now as for the pairing process, just take these earphones out of the case. Now search on the phone, you will see Boult Audio Airbass. Tap on it and that's it. It is paired. As for functionality, you can single tap on either earphone to play or pause. Double tap on the right to go next. Double tap on the left to go previous. Long tap or tap and hold for Google Assistant. Now let's look at the review. The case looks and feels nice. It's compact and pretty light in weight. The design and the matte finish makes it easier to hold, and it is not slippery. These earphones look nice. It has geometric design on the bottom of the stem, and it has pretty good design. Looks cool. These are pretty comfortable for long duration usage. I wore these and heard couple of episodes of podcasts which are more than 1 hour long each, and these earphones were comfortable all along. The fit in ear is pretty nice, and even when I shake my head, these might become slightly loose, but they don't fall easily. Overall, case and earphones have nice build quality with lightweight. Now coming to audio quality, it is pretty good. The highs, mids and lows all sound pretty balanced. Bass is also nice, especially at higher volumes. There is no connectivity issues. It has environmental noise cancellation and it does reduce most of the ambient noise. Overall, audio quality is pretty good. Now coming to call quality, it is pretty good. There is no issue in connectivity and there is minimal to no noise during calls. Now both earphones are master, so for calls, you can use either one individually as well. And as both are master, there won't be any sync issues either. Now as for battery, it gives 24 hours with the case and 6 hours on a single charge. And in my usage, it did give pretty good battery life. To conclude, these earphones are pretty good. Overall in audio, calls, or even design, in all aspects, these are very well balanced earphones. So what do you think about these earphones? Let us know in the comments below. Will you buy it? Let us know that too. This is Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.